Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Kingdom Gaming. In this video we're going to go through 5 things that you can stream other than gaming. Let's go. Hey, so for those of you that are new here, my name is Slojo and I stream on Twitch on Mondays and Thursdays at 7 PM GMT plus 2, so come check it out, we can hang out. What's up? So if you find yourself asking this question, it means either you're really new to streaming and you haven't quite decided what you're going to stream yet, or you've been streaming for a while and you're bored of the content you're kind of producing and you're looking for a bit of a change, a bit of a change of scenery for your live streaming. Well, these are just a few things that you need to consider. Well, let's say you're in the second category and you've been streaming for a while. Making a complete 180-degree turn from what you're previously streaming is going to cause you to lose quite a few followers or people that are going to be watching your streams, because they watch you for the content you're already producing. So you're just going to have to keep that in mind. And if you're in that first category of someone who's also, looking to start streaming, just ask yourself the question of, what am I good at? Like, what am I already doing? What am I already skilled at? And oftentimes you'll find that you can take that skill and you can just already now apply it to your live streaming or express it through Twitch while you're live streaming. So make sure to stay through all 5 of the things that you can live stream and see if they maybe align with some of the things that you're already skilled at. So let's go into the first thing, which is cosplay. I don't mean just wearing your outfits and just, dancing around, but I mean more of like you can stream your building sessions, and that way while you're building, you're being more productive, because hey, people can watch, they can learn from your skills, they can learn what you're doing, how to work with the EVA foam, your tips, your tricks, and it's more of an incentive to actually get your followers from whatever other platforms you're on to support your Twitch streaming. And it's a great opportunity for you to teach others how you do what you do, how you build your outfits. And yeah, I considered for a while, but I don't really cosplay anymore. But yeah, I have got a few things. If you want to check out any of the stuff I've made, you can always just check out my Instagram. But hey, that's just the first thing you can stream other than gaming, which I think would be pretty awesome for people to come and watch, and that I'm pretty sure your community from social medias would love to support if that's what you do. The second thing that I have really enjoyed watching actually is cooking. I am in a season in my life where I am living by myself, and your boy does not know how to cook anything. So I can say watching some of those cooking sessions has just been a bit of a lifesaver. And just a few things that you're going to have to consider is you're obviously going to change your streaming setup to maybe either, if you're using something mobile like a laptop, how you're going to keep it on charge. Your audio quality is going to be great. Maybe you need to look at getting a microphone that's that you can attach to your shirt, so that it moves around with you. But when you're streaming cooking, make sure that you're teaching the recipe as well, and just being who you are and entertaining while you do it. I must say, I have loved watching people cook on live stream. It's been so entertaining. There's been so many twists, so many turns, things that have gone wrong, and that just makes it even more exciting. So don't be afraid to start out there if that's what you're already good at. Maybe you love cooking, maybe you love teaching people your recipes. That's cool. Hey, the most searched thing on YouTube is how to make pancakes. So could teach us how to make the perfect pancake, Just throwing it out there. The third thing that you can stream other than gaming is creative arts. Now, this is just going to be a bit of a bubble that's going to contain a whole bunch of things. What is creative arts? Maybe you're great at painting. Maybe you're great at Lego building. Maybe you build a whole bunch of sets, or maybe it's like even theater sets, like mini theater sets. Whatever it is, whatever your creative art or your creative passion is, I guess cosplay could kind of fall into this, but that is an amazing skill which you can transfer onto Twitch and live stream, which I mean is going to help a lot of people. It's going to be entertaining. And what's great about creative arts is you actually have the ability to engage with your audience so well, because you're not hyper focused in, let's say, a game where you don't want to die and let down your team. Here you can just go at your own pace, engage with your viewers, talk with your viewers, teach them while you're doing what you're doing, and explain to them why you're doing what you're doing. So hey, that's just the third idea which you can stream other than gaming. The fourth thing that you can stream other than gaming is designing. Well, what do I mean by designing? I mean, you can teach Photoshop, you can teach video editing. Let's say you already are a master at Photoshop. Why not have some even just like classes on Twitch, you know, advertise on your social media. Just be like, hey, if you want to learn how to make an amazing thumbnail, I'm going to be live on this day on Twitch, and you can just come and check it out. Here's the link to my Twitch page. I'll be live on this day at this time, and I'm going to teach you this and this and this. Or maybe you're a master at video editing and you just want to teach people a few tips and tricks, like, hey, how to get the perfect transitions. Well, make sure to catch me live on this day at this time. And it's just another thing that you can take that you're skilled at, and you can start live streaming it, engaging with your viewers, even letting them participate in whatever it is you're working on. And you can even design something with your audience and for your audience. Hey, maybe another good idea is to actually maybe design your Twitch emotes or overlays with your viewers one day, and hey, let them make it for themselves. You just do kind of what they tell you to do. It's like it's like having a client and working for free. Anyways, the fifth thing that you can stream other than gaming: how-tos. Now, this is going to be a very broad topic of things that you can cover on your live streamings. You can just go through a bunch of how-tos, like daily life lessons. Hey, how to apply for your first job, and you teach people how to do that. How to buy your first house. How to rent your first apartment. It's just, this is a topic that I think is such an amazing opportunity for you to just educate people while building that trust with your audience, with your viewers. And I mean, the options are endless in how to's. Just think to yourself, what did I need to know yesterday that I actually went and Googled? And then you can cover that topic in a live stream, and you can dedicate a whole live stream to even just specific topics like how to pay less taxes. Hey, I'd love that one. Just saying. There's a fly in my room and it keeps like landing on my head. I hope you guys can't see it. Hey guys, well, there you have it. 5 things that you can stream other than gaming. The fly is on the lens. It is on top. Hey, make sure to like for the fly, subscribe for the fly, and if this content added any value to you, if it helped you, if it sparked any creative ideas in that brain of yours, I'd love for you to just let me know in the comments below. And hey, make sure to subscribe for future content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. May the force be with you guys. Peace out. Been watching too much Mandalorian.